What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Cardano ADA token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we have to finish our fifth wave and we might have one more leg to the upside. And as you can see, we have a very good extension in the fifth wave, and the top of our fifth wave is right here. And I've told you that the range of $1.6 is the previous swing top, and it should be broken and should be retested from the top, and with a good increase in volume we have to bounce back to the upside from this range in order to remain bullish. But instead of this breakout was a false breakout, and we went immediately lower below this range. And I have to say that it is quite technical movement, because we have completed all 5 wave structure, and for now we are forming the ABC correction. If it is the simple zigzag pattern, then we have to have this type of retracement. So what should we expect next, I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news related to, first of all, the entire crypto market. And we are sitting at a total market cap of $1.97 trillion. It is a 1.47% decrease over the last day, and we broke again $2 trillion price point to the downside, and it is not a good sign. On top of that, because of this decrease, we have major cryptocurrencies pretty much in red, especially on a 7 days period. Bitcoin lost 4.17%, Ethereum almost 7%, and BNB again on the 4th place lost about 3.22%. So I have to say that we are experiencing huge bearish pressure, and definitely the main reason of this pressure is the Federal Reserve and its policy related to the treasury yields and tapering process. And that's why not only the stock market has hard times for now, but also crypto market as well. And let's continue with Cardano numbers. For now, it has $44.75 billion of total market cap. It lost about 12.6% of its value. And the total tradable volume is $3.16 billion. It's lower than it was previously for about 25.6%. So I have to say that this movement to the downside with decreasing volume shows us that this movement to the downside might be a consolidation phase for this asset. And let's continue with fundamental news related to Cardano. On thedailyhodl.com we have this article that was published on January 19th, and it's titled Cardano ADA Metaverse launches with thousands investing in its digital real estate. And let me quote you this. Play-to-earn gaming and non-fungible token project Pavia is premiering on the Cardano network months after the 5th largest blockchain by market cap rolled out smart contracts features. In a press release, Pavia says that it is the first Cardano Metaverse, a virtual reality space that allows real-world activities and forms to be replicated digitally. The Metaverse project says that it has approximately 100,000 NFT land parcels, and 60% have already sold out. Pavia says that 29,000 land parcels were sold during the first phase and 31,000 land parcels during the second phase of the virtual land sales. The Metaverse project says the final land sales will occur in the first quarter of 2022. So, as you can see, this news is quite bullish overall, and I have to say that we have a lot of huge news related to Metaverse, and that's why a lot of hype still drives several coins even higher because of this. And definitely, Cardano is in the list of these coins, especially with its project Pavia. And that's why, if the Metaverse concept will continue its growth, this means all of the tokens related to Metaverse will have next huge bull run in upcoming months. So let's continue with this article. It was published on cryptoglobe.com and it's titled Cardano Whale. Transactions per second should scale to 500 to 1000 this year. A highly popular pseudonymous Cardano ADA whale says that in 2022 he expects the L1 blockchain's transaction throughput to increase to 500 to 1000. According to a report published by CoinDesk earlier today, ADA whale, Cardano whale on Twitter, told them via Twitter chat, "Keep eyes on the various scaling initiatives coming to Cardano next month. Cardano chain is currently running at pretty much full capacity. Block size likely to increase by the end of the month. Next month we'll see the Babbage hard fork, which helps things further. Transactions per second should scale to 500 to 1000 this year in various ways." And let me show you other on-chain optimizations and scaling solutions. It is a block size increase, pipelining, input endorses, memory CPU parameters for Plutus, Plutus script enhancements, node enhancements, on-disk storage, and also several off-chain optimizations. It is a side chains, Hydra, off-chain computing, and Mithril. So we have a lot of updates on Cardano network, and that's why, all in all, Cardano is one of the leaders among the list of top coins. For now, it is on the 6th place, and that's why we can rely on this asset, because from the technical standpoint, we also hit some crucial points. So, and before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. First of all, let's zoom out on a greater scale, and let me show you that on a daily time frame, we have a very good, let me clean the chart. We have a very good bounce from the range of support. It is slightly above $1 price point, and we have basically triple touches of this range from the end of May, and for now we have the fourth one right here, and we have this movement to the upside. As you can see, the volume was also slightly higher than we had during this movement to the downside, and this means if the trend will continue, we will definitely have next leg to the upside and we will hit higher targets. Probably in several months we might hit even its all-time high at around $3 price point. So, and let's continue on the hourly time frame. And as I already mentioned, we have to have retracement, and usually this retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag, and if it is the case, we might have the bounce to the top to form the top of our B wave, and then we should have one more leg to the downside. But where we might have this bottom, let me show you on a 15 minutes time frame that we have this structure, and in my opinion it is nothing else that the first A movement to the downside, and it has a shape of 5-wave structure, and this shape is a quite good shape, I have to say. It is a falling bullish wedge. Let me mark it like this. If I connect these tops and these bottoms, as you can see, we have this pattern. And for those of you who cannot see this type of pattern on the downside movement, you can switch the scale, you can invert the scale, and right here you have a rising bearish wedge, and this pattern usually breaks to the downside. This means right here we should have a breakout to the upside, and this breakout might lead to the top of our B wave. And to measure this movement, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of this wave to the bottom of this wave, and if it is the bottom, and I have to say that we pretty much completed all 5 waves structure in the 5th wave, in the ending 5th wave, this means it is a real bottom, or we are extremely near this bottom. And if I pull it to this lowest point, we have following targets to our bounce. As you can see, we have the top of our 4th wave with the confluence of 0.382 Fibonacci level at the price point of $1.43. This means we might have the top of our B wave right here, or even in a golden pocket. We have a second confluence with the top of our 2nd wave and the price point of about $1.51 to almost $1.53. And if we will have more steam to hit this range, this will be next crucial point from which we might have a trend reversal, and if we will break it to the upside, we will become more bullish. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just be cautious, and if you want to try to catch this movement to the upside, just put your stop loss extremely close to your entry price. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!